quote Albert Einstein, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. The question is why we call our system the solar system. By the way, the data in this video is largely inspired from nasa.gov website, and please take the animations with a grain of salt. They are just for visual and learning purposes only and do not reflect the realities and complexities of this topic. From NASA, with the most recent launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, to private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, to international agencies like the Canadian Space Agency, the European Space Agency, the Japan Space Agency, the Russians, China, India, the United Arab Mars Mission, among many others, we are definitely living the beginning of a new golden age of space exploration. There are many planetary systems like ours in the universe, with planets orbiting a host star. Our planetary system is called the solar system because we use the word solar to describe things related to our star, the sun, after the Latin word for sun, solis. It takes our solar system about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galactic center. More than 300 robotic spacecraft have explored destinations beyond our Earth's orbit. In the year 1543, Nicolaus Copernicus publishes his theory of heliocentrism, a model that places the sun at the center of the known universe with the planets orbiting in circles around it. From 1609 to 1619, Kepler, for the first time, describes the motion of the planets around the sun in what become the three laws of planetary motion. In the year 1610, when Galileo Galilei pointed a new invention called the telescope at Jupiter, he made a great discovery that there are actually 4 moons orbiting Jupiter. This was the first visible proof that Copernicus was right. Planets do orbit the sun, and our planet Earth is not the center of the universe. In 1846, Urbain Le Verrier, which confirmed observations by Johann Galle, further extends the solar system by predicting and observing a new planet called Neptune. In the year 1930, Clyde Tombaugh photographic search discovers a member of the solar system beyond Neptune called Pluto, initially classified as a planet, but now considered a dwarf planet. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned on what is next. You can check my courses like the Amazon Leadership Principle course or my courses related to an introduction about America and a lot more. Links in the description below. On July 28, 1969, humans walked on the moon for the first time in history, achieving the goal that President John F. Kennedy has set in 1961. An estimated 650 million people watched Neil Armstrong's televised image and heard his voice describe the event as he took one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. In the year 1977, the first of the NASA's twin Voyagers, Voyager 2, lift off on an epic tower of the outer solar system. In 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into low orbit and remains in operation to this day. In 2012, NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft officially is the first human-made object to venture into interstellar space. This is mankind's historic leap into interstellar space and to the stars. On Christmas Day 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was successfully launched aboard an European Space Agency Ariane 5 rocket from Europe's Spaceport in French Guiana. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most advanced and most powerful space telescope ever sent to space. And on July 12, 2022, NASA's released the first images of the James Webb Space Telescope, which will kick off the beginning of its scientific mission. Here are some top careers that explore space. Astronaut. Astronauts pave the way for human exploration beyond our planet Earth. They are pilots, scientists, engineers, teachers, and more. Project managers. Project managers guide missions from conception to completion, completing and working closely with team members to accomplish what they set out to do. Next, educator. Educator, whether it's introducing kids to space or teaching physics, educators help share their knowledge with the public. Engineers. Engineers design and build all types of machines, from what a spacecraft looks like to the software that directs where a rover goes each day. Scientists from an astrophysicist to volcanologists, scientists of all types pose questions and help find answers to the mysteries of our universe. From Copernicus' scientific revolution in 1543 to a man working on the moon to the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope in 2021, we are truly living a new golden age of space exploration, and our understanding of our solar system, our Milky Way galaxy, and the universe itself will continue to expand. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.